So I think what's really important to convey is that it's really a great opportunity we're able to offer here. Being involved in health and social care research is not something automatically people think about, but there are so many benefits. In addition to making sure that your views and perspectives are used to help shape social care research and health research, what's really important is that there are opportunities for you through this experience.
One of the main things about getting involved in research is you get to learn about loads of different aspects of research and about health and social care that you may not otherwise come across. Knowledge and skills that our research teams have, and through public and patient involvement you can be part of those conversations.
You as a person with lived experience, you know what it's like firsthand to live with a condition or to access health and social care services. So you've got that experience that nobody else in the room will have. And that's your opportunity to put what you think is important forward when we're shaping our research ideas. And as we're designing health and social care studies, you get the opportunity to really put forward your views as a patient or a service user.
That kind of combination of experience from knowing and doing and being through things, as well as what we know through clinical research, makes research better. And I always talk about it like there's two reasons fundamentally why we do public and patient involvement. One is to make sure that the research is done to the highest standard by incorporating that experiential knowledge, but also the second being power sharing and allowing opportunities for a broad range of stakeholders to be part of that process.
We really try and make sure all activities are engaging. So sometimes we'll use different methods, more creative methods. Sometimes, for example, we'll work with expert facilitators. So in one project, we're working with Lego facilitators. In another project, we're working with an artist. We really want this to be a really positive experience for everyone involved. And we really hope that the University of Birmingham, where we've got that support and infrastructure, to enable to have a really positive public involvement experience. Quite often people come to me and say, well, I don't know if I've got the right experience or the knowledge to be able to do this. The answers that you have, bringing your knowledge and experience, that's the perfect answer. And actually, you don't need any skills or experience. There's people in the team that will support you throughout your journey, right from when you say you want to be involved all the way through to the end. We're here as a point of contact for you, and you can contact us at any time if you have any questions or if there's anything you're unsure about. If we start working with people on a project, first of all, we'd have an induction. So you got to meet me or whoever else is supporting public involvement, but all other members of the team and other contributors. And then we might offer some bespoke training for whatever project you're on. So it might be training in a particular research method. Sometimes we offer skills like how to be on a committee meeting, for example, or how to contribute in meetings. So we'll give you that support throughout. And something that I'm particularly passionate about is making sure that you get really clear communications about your involvement. We really take time into putting any communication we send out so it's really clear what the expectations are, how long meetings are, how much honorarium will be offered, and importantly, exactly what's going to happen during those meetings.
What you want to do is ensure that everyone is reimbursed for their time. We also appreciate that for many people, finance may be a barrier to being involved in research. We want to remove that barrier, so making sure people are paid for their time kind of goes that way to ensuring equality of opportunity to contribute to the research.
We'll support you to make sure you're able to receive recognition for your time and your contributions. And it's not just payment for your time, we also consider other costs. So for example, if we have a meeting on campus or in a venue, you'll be offered your travel expenses. So that could be parking or car travel or bus travel if you travel on public transport. We also offer what's called inclusive payments. So, for example, if you wouldn't be able to attend a meeting because you had carer responsibilities, or perhaps you needed to bring a carer or a personal assistant with you, always have that conversation with us because we might be able to accommodate those things so you are able to be involved in the meeting as any other contributor.